So the key on my Porsche 911 and 996 model has stopped working for the remote part, and what I've done when checking with the other key that does work is there is a micro switch that has broken off and is missing here. I've managed to buy some new switches, so what I just need to do now is to solder that switch in place on the circuit board. So I'm just going to do that now, and it goes across those two lines there. Before we get started, I'm actually going to take the battery out and remove the circuit board from the key fob, so we don't have any residual charge on there. Have the micro switch in tweezers. I'm just going to hold that in place and solder it onto the board. So I've managed to solder one side on, just need to do the other side and then hopefully we'll be done. So I've soldered that back on now. If you notice here, you press the button, the LED is now lighting up. So hopefully that means we have a working remote. I'm going to go and try it on the car now. So I've just tested the key. Let's see if it actually works. The reason there was the beep there is that the front trunk is open. It's now unlocked. So that's been a really good job done. It cost me a couple of pounds for the micro switch, which was from eBay. I had to pay £10 for the soldering iron, but I've got that for the toolkit for the future, so that's not a problem. And if I'd gone to a Porsche garage, it would have cost me a few £100 to get a new key. So that's a really good job done and saved a few quid into the bargain.